Tonight, millions of people over 60 will lie awake staring at the ceiling. They will toss and turn for hours. They will wake up exhausted, and they will tell themselves this is just what happens when you get older. But here is the truth nobody is telling you. Bad sleep after 60 is not normal. It is not inevitable, and it does not have to be your story. There is one simple 10-minute routine you can do right before bed tonight. It is backed by real science. It costs nothing. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what it is. Stay with me. Welcome to Golden Life Secrets. This channel was created for one reason: to help adults over 60 live with strength, clarity, and true independence. We believe getting older should mean getting wiser, not weaker. We believe your best years are not behind you. They are still being written. And we are here every week to help you write them well. Live strong, age smart. That is what we do here together. Now, before we dive in, I want to ask you something personal. Drop your age and your city in the comments right now. Tell us where you are watching from today. This community is filled with incredible people just like you. People who refuse to slow down, people who want answers, not excuses. Let them know you are here. Now, let us talk about what is really happening to your sleep after 60. Imagine this. You go to bed at 10. By 11, you are still wide awake. Your mind is running through tomorrow's to-do list. Your legs feel restless. The room is too warm. You finally drift off around midnight. Then at 3 in the morning, you are wide awake again. Sound familiar? Here is what is actually going on inside your body. As we age, our brain produces less melatonin. Melatonin is simply your body's natural sleep signal. Think of it like a dimmer switch for your brain at night. After 60, that dimmer switch starts working less efficiently. A landmark study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology found that melatonin levels in adults over 65 can be up to 50% lower than in younger adults. 50%. That is not a small difference. But here is the critical part. You do not have to accept this. Your body can be gently guided back into better sleep rhythms. And the 10-minute bedtime routine we are building today does exactly that. Keep watching, because the second point connects directly to this and makes everything clearer. The second reason your sleep is suffering may surprise you, and it has nothing to do with your bed or your bedroom. It has to do with your body temperature. Here is a simple way to understand it. Think of your body like a house in winter. Before a good night's sleep, your body needs to drop its internal temperature slightly. It is like turning the thermostat down before bed. When that temperature drop happens naturally, your brain gets the message that sleep time has arrived. Researchers at the University of South Australia found that a warm bath or foot soak 10 to 90 minutes before bed can trigger this exact temperature drop. Your feet and hands release heat. Your core temperature falls, and your brain shifts into sleep mode up to 36% faster. So here is your first simple action for tonight. Soak your feet in warm water for 10 minutes before bed. Not hot, warm. That gentle warmth triggers heat release from your feet. Your sleep signal fires up. No equipment needed, no cost, just a basin and warm water. Now I want to ask you directly. Have you ever tried a warm foot soak before bed? Drop a yes or no in the comments. I read every single one, and your answer helps us build better videos for you. Now, here is where it gets really interesting. This third point is something most people over 60 have never heard. And honestly, it surprised even the researchers who discovered it. Here is what most people never find out. Your breathing pattern before bed directly controls how quickly your nervous system shifts from alert mode into rest mode. Let me explain. Your body has two operating modes: fight or flight and rest and digest. When you are stressed, worried, or overstimulated before bed, your body stays locked in fight or flight mode. That means your heart beats faster, your muscles stay tense, and your brain refuses to slow down. Harvard Medical School researchers found that slow, controlled breathing activates the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is simply the main switch between alert mode and rest mode in your body. When you breathe slowly and deeply for just 5 minutes, you flip that switch manually. Here is the simple technique. Breathe in through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 4 counts. Breathe out slowly through your mouth for 6 counts. Repeat this 10 times. It takes less than 5 minutes. And studies show it can cut the time it takes to fall asleep nearly in half. Here is something I want you to think about deeply for a moment. Your sleep is not just about you. It is about everyone you love. Think about your children, your grandchildren, the people who look to you for wisdom, strength, and presence. When you sleep poorly, night after night, the Mayo Clinic confirms it accelerates cognitive decline. That means your memory, your focus, and your judgment all weaken faster. And it raises the risk of serious health events, including heart issues and falls. But listen, this is the hopeful part. The same research shows that restoring deep sleep can meaningfully slow this process. Your brain actually clears out harmful waste products during deep sleep. Think of it like a nightly cleaning crew for your mind. That cleaning crew only works when you sleep deeply enough. So here is your gentle action for tonight. Write down 3 things you are grateful for before you get into bed. Keep a small notebook by your nightstand. Now we have reached the final point, and I promised you at the very beginning that this one would be worth waiting for. Most people have never heard this, and even many health professionals have not connected these dots yet. Discover this. The light in your home after sunset is quietly destroying your sleep. Not just screen light, all artificial light. Here is why this matters so deeply for adults over 60 specifically. Your eyes already let in less light than they did at 30. The lens of your eye yellows and thickens with age. This means your brain struggles even harder to detect the difference between day and night. So when you sit under bright overhead lights at 9 in the evening, your brain genuinely believes it is still daytime. Melatonin stays suppressed. Your sleep signal never fires. A groundbreaking study from Harvard's Division of Sleep Medicine confirmed that exposure to blue and white light after dark can delay melatonin release by up to 3 hours in older adults. 3 hours. So here is your powerful, simple solution. 1 hour before bed, dim every light in your home. Switch off overhead lights. Use a warm, low lamp instead. Put on blue light-blocking glasses if you are using a phone or tablet. These glasses are widely available and inexpensive. Within just a few nights, your brain will start releasing melatonin earlier. Your body will know it is time to sleep. And that leads us back to the very promise I made at the start of this video. The reason you are lying awake is not weakness. It is not your age. It is your environment sending your aging brain the wrong signals at the wrong time. Change the signals and you change the sleep. Tonight, starting right now. So let us bring this all together. Remember these 5 things. First, your body produces less melatonin as you age, but you can support it naturally. Second, a warm, 10-minute foot soak before bed cools your core and triggers deeper sleep. Third, 5 minutes of slow, intentional breathing manually switches your body from alert to rest mode. Fourth, 3 lines of gratitude in a notebook quiets your mind and unlocks deeper, cleaner sleep. And fifth, dimming your lights 1 hour before bed restores the natural melatonin signal your aging eyes can no longer get on their own. None of these cost money. None require a prescription. All of them are backed by real science from institutions you can trust. Listen to me now. Aging is not the enemy. Inactivity is the enemy. Ignorance is the enemy. Isolation is the enemy. And you are fighting back against all 3 just by being here today. Before you go, I have one final question just for you. Of the 5 things we talked about today, which one do you think will make the biggest difference for your sleep starting tonight? The warm foot soak, the breathing technique, the gratitude notebook, or dimming your lights? Drop your answer in the comments below. Be specific. Tell me which one speaks to you and why. The Golden Life Secrets team reads every single comment, and we use your answers to build future videos designed specifically for people exactly like you. Your voice shapes this channel. Your experience matters here. You are not on this journey alone. Right now, hundreds of thousands of people just like you, in their 60s, 70s, and 80s, are part of this Golden Life Secrets community. If this video helped you today, please subscribe to Golden Life Secrets right now. Hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Save this video so you can come back to these 5 steps anytime you need them. And please, share this with someone you care about who struggles with sleep. Thank you for being here. Thank you for trusting Golden Life Secrets with your health and your time. Now go get the rest you deserve. Live strong, age smart.